In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cover a deficit in your Robinhood account. If you've logged in and noticed that your buying power or account balance shows a negative number, don't worry. This situation can happen for a number of reasons, such as failed transfers, unsettled funds, or trading on margin, and it's important to take care of it quickly to avoid any restrictions on your account. So let's walk through the steps you'll need to follow to clear your deficit and get back to trading as usual. First, head over to Robinhood.com and log in using your credentials. Once you've made it to your homepage, look for the navigation bar and click on the account section. In this menu, you'll find an option labeled Transfers. Go ahead and click Transfers, and from the list of actions, select Deposit. This is where you'll be able to move money from your linked bank account right into your Robinhood account to correct the negative balance. Before you actually make the deposit, take a moment to check your buying power or your available account balance. This number is crucial. It shows exactly how much money you have that's ready to trade or invest. If there's a deficit, it will show up here as a negative number. It's a good idea to note this precise amount because you'll want to deposit at least enough to cover the full deficit and avoid any further trading restrictions. Now, return to the deposit page. Enter an amount equal to or greater than your deficit, just to be safe. If you deposit only part of it, your account might still have restrictions, so it's best to cover the entire negative figure. Once you've entered the right amount, review your information one more time, and then click Submit to process the transfer. Robinhood will initiate the deposit from your connected bank account, and in most cases, this transfer happens pretty quickly, though it can take a couple of business days depending on your bank. If you have a margin account, there's another option available to you as well. Robinhood may allow you to sell some of your holdings to automatically cover the deficit. To do this, click on Trade, then select Sell. Pick the assets you want to liquidate and review your order carefully. Once you're ready, confirm by clicking Sell. This can be a faster option, particularly if you need to cover your deficit right away and don't want to wait for a bank transfer. Once your deficit has been cleared, either through a deposit or by selling assets, you'll notice that your buying power returns to normal. At this point, your account is in good standing again, and you're free to resume trading without any limitations. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can quickly resolve a negative balance in your Robinhood account. Remember to always keep an eye on your buying power to avoid surprises. And as always, feel free to revisit these instructions whenever you need a refresher. Thanks for watching and happy trading.